once and a half. That puts the robins a little closer to the center. They're going to chain across. Oh, sorry, it's not chain yet. It's going to be an allemand once and a half. So this is a whole bunch of turns by the hands. So the two robins are in the middle, turning by the once and a half. To your partner, no further preliminaries, you may swing your partner. So you're next to your partner. That's the one you asked to dance. And you're swinging your partner. Allemand of this finger. Robins in the middle. Your partner on the side. To the middle, you circle to the left. Make your swing. Long lines, hands to the middle, legs to the middle of the right. Right hand starts. On to the next. 10 starts. Allemand left, this finger. Two robins in the middle.
How was it?
Fun. That was fun.
That was called Wild Asparagus by the Contras. How did you figure it out?
I'm hot. It repeats, which is good. And that lady was good.
Betty Czyz at the Dance Barn at the Old Songs Festival. We just went through the class at Old Songs Festival on how to do knotting, and we are learning what's called a bowline, and Betty is going to use this on the trailhead. So go ahead, Betty, describe what you're doing there.
Hang on, I might have messed it up already.
This actually, I made this knot when I was back in ROTC to make a rope bridge. We used a bowline and the square knots.
I don't know if I got it this time.
You got it?
I don't know.
Let's see. That's it.
Nice.
Yeah.
Is that it?
Yeah.
You got it from Betty. She is a knot expert now. Okay, Betty, we are closing out our weekend at the Old Songs Festival. How was it?
It was good. I thought there'd be a little bit more people, but nice. Got a variety of musicians here, and you can tell they all love music.
What was your favorite thing you did here?
Well, I did like the line dance. That was fun.
It's not line dancing. It's called Contra dancing.
Contra dancing. It's a line dance.
It's a version of a square dance.
Yep.
How about learning how to do a bowline and a square knot?
Yeah, that was good too. Practical.
What was your favorite musician?
I actually liked the ladies singing.
We didn't win this time, and that's alright. It doesn't mean that we won't still win this fight. It's the woman who pays. We are gentle, angry people, and it's where my honey lives, and now so do I.
I like the Swedish lady.
Blow the windy morning, blow the winds high up, clear away the morning dew and sweet the wind shall blow.
And Guy Davis, he was good.
Yeah.
Back when prohibition was the law of the land.
I did like Maria Zamorowski too. You recommend Old Folks for anybody?
Old songs for old folks.